Okay, now that you've written your article, it's time to share your blog post with readers. And I'm going to show you 4 different methods that you can use to get traffic to those blog posts quickly and easily. We also like these methods because it's a way to diversify your traffic from Google. Maybe you don't want to wait for Google to index your page and share it with search engine rankings, but this is a different way to do it. Nearly 70% of visitors will leave your website and they'll never come back. And as a website owner, you're going to need to give them a reason to come back. Method 1 is to share your blog post with push notification subscribers. And all push notification is a pop-up message when they first come to your website that will go out to your subscribers. You ask them if they want to be notified when you have new content, and they say yes. And so this pushes out that information through their web browser. It's very effective because it shows them instantly when they're on a web page somewhere else, and it lets them know that you have something new. You don't have to wait until they have to check their email or social media accounts. It simply goes out to them directly. You've seen this on several websites. If you go to WPBeginner, you'll probably see it on ours. And in fact, it's one of our top 5 traffic sources by using something called Push Engage. Now, I won't cover how to set that up. If you want, you can check out the link in the description below on how to go through all that whole process. But the moment that you hit a post, then your notification can go out with them. What I also like about it is you can segment your audience. So say that they were on a cookie recipe page and you say, hey, we have a lot of cookie recipes, or we will be writing a lot of new cookie recipes. Do you want to be notified? They can say yes. And so then you can only send them when new cookie recipes are coming out. So I love that segmenting process. And then method number 2 is you want to share your blog post with your email list. I hope you do have an email list. Angie and I from OptiMonster, we went into detail on our podcast on why you need one and why now is the best time to set that up. Email subscribers, they're just people who have joined your list. They actually told you, I want to hear from you. And so getting an email list and having that one-on-one connection with your audience is a really good way to grow your audience and your traffic. We often recommend using something like Constant Contact, simply one of the best email marketing services out there that you can set up and start growing your email list. What I also love about it is you don't have to know what to email them. You simply just have to say, hey, you want to hear about it? And as soon as one of your blog posts go live, it can send out an email to people. So you can check out Constant Contact. And then if you're growing or outgrown that, you can look into something like HubSpot or Sendinblue or ConvertKit for other ones as well. And then the next method is you want to share your blog post with your social media followers. With social media, you can share all of your content with your loyal followers. And we regularly share all of our latest blog posts as well as many of our older blog posts with our audience on Twitter and Facebook, and obviously on YouTube, which is a little bit of a combination between content and social media. Now, I hear what you're saying. It sounds like I'm giving you a whole list of new things that you have to worry about. All of these things that if you set it up once, you can continue to use it. And with the social media following, you can set up something called Uncanny Automator. It's a plugin automation for WordPress, and it lets you create automated workflows without writing any code, which is perfect. And what it will do is it can connect, in particular, it does many, many things, but for social media, it will connect things like Facebook and Twitter, your Instagram, whereas whenever you create a new post, it will automatically submit that post to your social profiles. So you can set it up once, and then it will automatically do that while you're just concentrating on creating your content. And then the 4th one that we recommend is go ahead and share your blog posts with your SMS subscribers. Now, I'll be honest, I'm a Gen Xer, and so this I don't care for, but a lot of people are seeing good results with this because sending SMS messages can be a great way to share your new blog posts with your readers. Because not only are text messages, they have a very high open rate, but people will check their messages almost instantly. The first thing you need to do is set up the message for your subscribers to opt into. And we recommend something like Sendinblue, since it is one of the best email marketing providers, but it also has the SMS part as part of it. So if it's something you want to do, we have a whole tutorial on how to set that up. And then once your account is set up like the other items, you simply share the blog post and it will automatically go out. And then the cool thing is you have full control over the recipients, the messaging, the sending time, and so much more for them. So these are great methods to do. Once you get all of these set up in the very beginning, as soon as you publish any new blog posts, then these will automatically or can automatically go out without any extra work on your part. So set it up once and continue to reach your audience. And if you want to check out push notification a little bit more, then you can watch this video next as I walk you through step by step on how to add push engage to your website. And I'll see you over there.